Hello everyone, I have 3 Tsum Tsum Disney blind boxes today, and these are a limited edition Disney Tsum Tsum sold at the 7-Eleven in Japan. So let's take a look inside to see what we've got. Heart-shaped eyes. She's adorable. Hello. And the second box. Oops. So I've got heart-shaped eyes. Goofy. And the third box. Oh, another Goofy. So actually I wanted to get a whole set, but I couldn't. I only could find 3 boxes at the 7-Eleven close to